ASAP plumbing, lift stations, irrigation. So we got our irrigation system put in today. So this is our main feed to tie into our backflow. That's an existing reduced pressure backflow for the irrigation system. You can see it's riding along here. You can see the irrigation is here, right there. And it's running all the way up to there. There's a well up here, and that well will provide the water. We also have a feed going up in that area that we were working on over the last couple of weeks. We've been on site off and on for about 12 weeks. We're getting ready to wrap it up. Laying in the new irrigation line is kind of coming to the end of this. And that's the new irrigation line with the existing well that was on site. And again, it'll tie right into that reduced pressure backflow assembly. Our company name is ASAP Plumbing, ASAP Lift Station Services, ASAP Irrigation, ASAP General Contracting. 904-346-1266. 904-346-1266. Thanks for watching our videos. Hopefully we could help.